Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all doing? Hope you all are back on your track for Monday. Now, I'm very excited. This is, I think, the second week which we have to just stay back at home, and next week onwards, I think we will be back to school, and I'm very excited about it. Hope you all are also excited to be with your friends in the class. All right, now let's open Science Student Book, page number 24. As you know, we are doing a new unit called materials. Yeah, sorting and using of materials, how to sort them out and how to use them, because all the materials have different characteristics, all right, and different properties. They look different, they feel different, they can do different jobs, all right. Not everyone does the same thing. We do not use all the materials for one particular thing. We use them for different stuffs in our daily life. Okay, now as you can see on page number 24, you have the heading common materials. So which are the common materials which has been used every day? Common means very easy to find and very easy to use. Okay, now in the red box, read along. Use your pointer's finger, point while we are reading. Keep your highlighters ready. Okay, your challenge. So your challenge for today would be to collect information, to record what you found out, and to sort materials into groups. Okay, so these three things are up for you today in this chapter. What to do? Rohan and Anya decided to count all the materials they can. So they are counting the materials. How many materials do they both know? This is Rohan and this is Anya. I think you can see in your book. Alright, so they find out which is the most common. They want to find out that which one we use in a very regular basis, like every day. Without that material, we can't uh, have a day, or we cannot move on in a day. Okay, or we can't do our work for the day. All right, now let's read in the red box what you need. So this is very important. You will need a clipboard, a pencil and some paper and a digital camera. Alright, what we do is we will scrape out this idea of having a digital camera. Okay, paper and pencil. You don't need a paper and pencil, you just need a pencil. I have already given you this, okay, table for you to fill in. Okay, how you have to fill, I will show you now. So now what Rohan says is, our school uniforms are made of materials. The uniform, the clothes which we wear are made of materials. Then what does Anya replies? She says yes, and so is the desk. Now they are having their books on the desk, and then Anya says, yes, Rohan, you are right. Our uniforms are made of material as well as the desk. Then Rohan says, but the desk isn't made of fabric like our uniforms. So for Rohan, material means only fabric, only piece of cloth. But then Anya explains to him that but materials aren't just fabric, they are more than fabric, like plastic, wood, glass, metal, and these wool. These are all fall under the category of materials, including the fabric. So now what happened is they came out with an idea to draw a table. So I don't want you to draw your table. The table, empty table, is here for you. What you will do, you have to today draw a picture of an object around your house. Okay, and which material is it made of? Is it made of wood, plastic, paper, fabric, glass or metal? You have to put a tick. Something like this, something similar to page number 25. This is an example for you. Like first one is a wooden table, so it is made of wood. Second one is a book. so it is made of paper. The third one is a chair, which is made of plastic. So something you need to draw around your house, the items with different materials, made out of different materials. So this activity I want you to do today, okay, after this lesson. All right, so now come to the next page, page number 25. Now what to check, what will you check? Here they say to do this experiment you will need a clipboard, a camera and all, but you don't need a camera because you do not need to click the picture. You can go live, like you can look at the items at home, whatever you find, and then you try to draw a small picture of it, similarly looking like picture, and then just put a tick in which category, which material is it using or made of. Now what to check? Now try it yourselves. You have to try this yourselves. Walk around the school, look for different objects. As you know, we are not able to come to school due to the lockdown, so walk around your house, look for different objects, write down the names of each object, decide what material it is made from. So I don't want you to write the name of the object, but you can draw the picture of the object, okay, and then you can decide what the material is it made from. Then count how many different materials you found, okay, around the house. How many different materials you could find, you need to count. Which material is the most common? Which material is the most commonly used? Like for example, here they say plastic 3. What are the plastic? Plastic chair, plastic box and plastic container. So they have 3 items for plastic, okay. So the plastic was for them, for Rohan and Anya, plastic items they found more around the house. So I want you to find out which material objects do you have mostly around your house, okay. So any area, you can count kitchen, you can go into your kitchen, your bedroom, your living room, your toilets. Just find out the materials which is commonly used. All right, now like for example, spoon, it is very important. Spatula or spoon. Spatula your mom uses to stir or to flip the pancakes or chapatis or rotis or naans and whatever it is, the bread. So they use the spatula for that, and then you all use spoon to eat. At home you do not use plastic spoon, right? You use reusable material, and metal is better than plastic. Yeah, remember I told you plastic, when it's been heated up, gives out a lot of toxins. Yeah, all right, toxic gas and material which it gets into the food and it becomes poisonous. It makes the food poisonous. All right, so you will have to do this table similarly like this. This is an example for you. You have to do this one and show me, okay. You have to take a picture of this one and upload, okay. Picture of this one you need to upload, page number 24 only. All right, because I want to only see this part, what you have drawn and which material does it belong to. Then now let's read things to do. Rohan and Anya drew this table for the results. What material did Rohan and Anya find most of? Why do you think this is? I think they found the most is the plastic material. These days people find it very convenient to use plastic because it's unbreakable, it lasts longer, but the drawbacks are there. It's not good. The chemicals it leaves out is not good for a human body and for the nature. Now let's read here. Did you know you can make a type of plastic from milk? Wow. So earlier I told you that the used oil, the oil which we use to fry chicken and patties in McDonald's, in fast food centers like KFC and all, when they fry oil, they use oil to fry the chicken, and that fried oil, the used oil, they keep using it 2-3 times. All right, they don't change the oil very soon. So after third or fourth time, the oil becomes very sticky, so they send it in the container, they put it in a container and send it to the factories, where that used oil is being heated up to a certain temperature. All right, and then it turns into plastic, sticky and stretchy. So it turns into plastic. But here they say, did you know you can make a type of plastic from milk? Even from milk you can make some plastic, that we need to find out. I will give you notes on that. All right, so for today I want you to quickly get on to this. All right, and then find out the items, draw here and give me the answers here. Make the material, which put a tick which material it is used for and made of. Then after that, I want you to open up your science exercise book and copy the notes, which I have already shared the PDF file. Okay, as you know, tomorrow is a Tuesday and we do not have a class for science. So I have given you notes so that you can slowly finish it by tomorrow. No rush, take your time. Even tomorrow, write half today. Say for example, I have given notes on 2 topics. One is material and the other topic is properties of materials. So today you finish copying materials, okay? Then tomorrow you copy properties of material, and day after tomorrow morning you just upload your work for marking. All right, okay, you take care, start working on your table, because you need to go around your house, look around, discuss with your mom, and then you just, in this, you don't need your mom's help. Actually, you know how to draw. I have seen you all drawing in the class. You all are very good. So you all just look around, draw the pictures what you think it is, okay, and then put a tick. Once you're done with it, then you show to your mom whether it is correctly done or not. Then you take her suggestion how or what to do, okay? But do not depend on your mom to do it. All right, you have to do this work all by yourself. As you know, you can look at doors, you can look at knobs, you can look at I'm giving just examples, yeah. So there are so many things. All right, your study table, your desk, your what do we call that, your car. Yeah, your car, you can go through your car. Your car is made up, so you can draw a car, toy car. Yes, you don't need to go out of the house. You can even use your toys, like a toy car, like Hot Wheels. The cars which are from Hot Wheels, they are made of metal. So you can write that the tires are made of rubber, so you can draw the tire, and then, you know. So I'm just giving you idea, all right, how to do it. So you think out of the box, and I want you to do this work, because this is very simple and very easy. We can do this together. We could have done it together in the class, but I am sure that you all can do it by yourself. Okay, just draw the picture, put a tick. Which material is it made of? Okay, once you are done with it, then you show to your mom and find out whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, and then you upload this work today for science notes. You can upload it by Wednesday morning. All right, bye for now. I'll see you all tomorrow for maths lesson.